Hello, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please subscribe, and if not, I thank you for coming back. So, if you see this video again with me in this color, I did an orange eye video for one of my subscribers who wanted me to do an orange eye, and that was for her. But anyways, I want you guys to know that I did a part 1 to my beauty room. So if you missed it, then you need to go back and watch that video. So today we're going to come along with part 2. If you're ready to see, then over here is my pigments. And I got another set of brushes here that I have not used. They're just there for, I thought they were pretty and I purchased them. So I told y'all I like a lot of stuff. I'm going to set that there. And we're going to look at this box. This box here holds a lot of pigments. Oh, it is so heavy. I got this box at TJ Maxx. So, you probably could order this online at TJ Maxx. So it just holds all my pigments. I have some ice in here. This is a purple pigment. Let's see. Some of them I have not used. So, yeah. This one here, I don't know where I got this one from. It's just some cosmetic glitter. Oh, it's pretty. I have some from Sally, some green. These here is from Kohl's, and this one is called Mermaid. I haven't used any of these. It's a pretty purple looking color. Put on your eyes. I don't know, it might not. Looks like that. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's just a shimmer looking color. I haven't tried these out either, but I'm going to. I have this one here, came in my Ipsy bag, and this is called A06, and it's just a shimmer powder. It's real pretty. Looks like that. It's like a mauve looking, dusty rose mauve looking color. That one came in my Ipsy bag. I think so. I think it did. This is one from the Balm. This is an overshadow. It's a pigment also. Really pretty. Really pretty pigment. Looks like that. Put that on. Looks like that. Isn't that gorgeous to go over shadow? Just gorgeous. Beautiful highlight. But I probably can't use it. But it's so pretty. And I have this one here I got from Amazon. I just got this one from Amazon. It looks like that. Pretty as an eyeshadow. Really can't see them unless you got glitter over them. NYX is in here. I got a roll of NYX. I'm not gonna go through all of this stuff. A lot of this is NYX. I have some J-Cat highlighters too. Well, pigments too. Glitters. This is a glitter. A green one from J-Cat. MAC. And guys, you guys know I cannot read that pigment from MAC, but it's beautiful. Let me see if I can get it to focus. Some of these NYX I haven't used. This is called Meadow. Pigment 18. Anyway, it's Pigment 18. If I get it to show. Yeah. So I have some B8. This is a black glitter. I have glitters and pigments in here, guys. So they're just all over. But anyway, that's what's up in the first one. I have to move this over to make this close. In this drawer here, I have some more glitters. I was thinking back on making me some pressed pigments. Pressed glitter pigments. Well, pressed glitters. And they're eyeshadow glitters here. So this is a bunch of them. I got this set from Amazon, but the container came from Walmart. Troll glitters that I got at Walmart. There's another set. I have some, what is this, Mad Minerals. This is a glitter too. It's called Ancient Gold. I probably got that one from, I got a lot of this stuff from TKB Trading. I have a lot of pigments. Lots of pigments from them. I just haven't got into doing it yet. And let me see, this one here is from Elf. This just look like a smudge pot. So I just stuck them up there. This one on the bottom. It's some more glitters that I got from eBay. But they saying this is a nail decoration. But you know how you put it in the description, you know how you put in the search for glitters, but cosmetic glitters. So I guess you can use this as cosmetic, but don't quote me on this. If you buy this, you use it at your own risk. I will be using them, but you use it on your own at your own risk. If you buy it, you know. This is through Amazon too. This is a red shadow. This is a red shadow here. Beautiful. Some green, blues. Let me see if I can get you focused in here. Green shadow, a black one, a hot pink, you know, silver, whatever. These here are just some loose pearl eyeshadows in here. And I also have some glitters in here too. So yeah, that's what's in this container. Over here, I have a cousin who just sent me this bag from Lancome. She works, I forget where she works at, but anyway, she works in a place that sells makeup. So she sent me this, and I was just so happy about it. Very pretty. So she sent me this set. I have not used, and I think these here are eyeshadows. Let me see. A Glow Look Warm palette. So yeah, these are just eyeshadows, and you probably can put blush or whatever on with them, but I think they're eyeshadows. So yeah, I thought that was very nice of her with some, and they have some lip glosses in them, and she sent me some perfume. I mean, good girls. I'm sorry, looking at it and saying bad girls. Good girls. And this is the cologne bottle. I thought this was gorgeous. Just gorgeous. So yeah. Just says wake up and make up. Nothing's in the bag. This here is really nothing in these up here either. They're just shelves that I have. Haven't put much in them. I have, as you can see in this box, I just have some few little things. A Wet n Wild cover. What is that? Concealer palette. Yeah, correcting palette. Another pencil sharpener. Some brow tint, and I don't know who is. Let me see, who is this by? This is Rimmel. Haven't used it. Still in the package. Some stones. Mineral stones, rather. And nothing's in the rest of these drawers. It's just Told y'all stuff. Foundation powders. You guys remember when they came out with the Bare Mineral set? They first come out with this stuff. This is what this is. I think this was my first makeup set. I had to have it. But anyways, I don't hardly use it anymore. I guess I could probably use some of the powder to maybe bake with. I don't know. We'll see. I'll figure something out with it. And then I have some Mary Kay powders in here also. I used to sell Mary Kay too. Bronzers rather. I have some bronzers in here. These are bronzers by Mary Kay. You know, I have the whole set. Yeah. And let me see, what is this? In this bottom drawer down here, look like I have some neighbor rings. Some neighbor rings, you know. In there. This drawer here, nothing but some, I guess you could use these. You can use, well, ain't no guessing. You use these to pick up like creams and stuff out of a jar with some hot toothpicks. Told y'all I like stuff. Nothing's in that drawer. Nothing's in this drawer. These are some backs to go on the earrings. This is the e.l.f. high definition powder here. So that's about all that's in that stuff. So now we're going to move down into this little chest here, which I purchased from Art Van. It's supposed to be a jewelry box, but I use it to hold makeup and stuff in. Top drawer. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see in here or not, but I'm going to try to get you as close as I can in Take Me drawer. So in here, it's a bunch of eyeshadows. I have some, what is this? Flirt. I don't know who this is by. But this is an eyeshadow. Looks like that. I have some NYX. NYC shadows. Some Rimmel. Some MAC shadows. More MAC. I also have the this is the e.l.f. The e.l.f. set. I don't know what this is called, but anyway, I have the e.l.f. I have some hard candy. No, this is Wet n Wild. I haven't opened this one either, guys. More Wet n Wild back here. Who is this? NYC. Oh, and here's an orange. Miss Pam. From NYC. More little shadows. This is an orange I forgot to use too. And I keep thinking I have no orange eyeshadows. This is from Glam Rock. I have a cousin that had her own little beauty makeup. She started doing makeup. Yeah, it's kind of hard though. But they look like that. It's pretty. And I have a yellow Smashbox orange. Here's another one from Plateau. This is an orange matte. Just a bunch of stuff. Just iconic. Some green. These here, I think I got these from a little place in the mall. Let me see. I don't know where they came from. But anyway, it's a green shot. I hardly ever touch any of this stuff in here. Some more Rimmel. NYC. Wet n Wild. Remember Wet n Wild made them like this here? I have some of those. Bare Mineral eyeshadow. Looks like that. Ultra eyeshadows. Haven't used. Hope you guys can see that. Another Wet n Wild palette. Yeah. Let me see. Did I show you what was in this other drawer? Probably not. What are these? These are hard candies. All of those are hard candy shadows. LA Colors. This is an Essence, all about the roses. More Wet n Wild back here in the back. Next drawer. Some gel eyeliners. A lot of mascaras. Some e.l.f. What is this? Long wearing smudge proof in blue. Some Urban Decay Perversion. What is that? Mascara. Some more mascaras. Lots of mascaras in here. NYX that I haven't used. I like this stuff, but haven't used any of it. Some plumping. Some Mary Kay. What is this? Some lights camera lashes. Tarte. Haven't used. Yeah, these here are eye pencils here. All of those are eye pencils. Different colors. And then I have some, I think these are lips. Yeah, these are lips. Lip pencils. NYX and you name it is in here. Next drawer are all houses, all my lashes. These are just some pens. Stick pens. I have some Morphe lashes. More Morphe lashes. Those are really pretty. Some more Ardell's. Love Spell lashes. Some more Ardell's with the twin wispies. Vegas Nay. More lashes. This is just all lashes. House is all lashes. All lashes. All lashes. I have some single ones back here when I want to do single lashes. Put them on. In this drawer is nothing but like well, I guess you could say facial stuff. Lip chat. Just some junk. Face mask and stuff. Junk. Let's see. Down lower, some more junk. Makeup bags. Just junk. I used to house my eyeshadows in the ice trays here. Neosporin and necklace. You know. Different things. Down to the bottom. More junk. Let's see if I can get you closer. I have some what are these called? Some sticky rhinestones, batteries, different things, just junk. So yeah, guys, wasn't really much in that drawer, but there's plenty more to see. Next week we're gonna go on around. I might not show you what's all on this other shelf over here because it's basically nothing. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a like and also subscribe and send people my way. But yeah, I just want you guys to have a blessed night, no matter where you are, and always love on someone, no matter where you are. So, to you, have a good night or a good day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.